Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you Android tricks to play video in the background. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can play YouTube video in the background. So for that, just go to your Chrome browser. You should be connected to your Google account. Now search for youtube.com. Now after searching for YouTube, just launch a video. Now just pause the video and click the top right three dot icon. Now here you will see desktop side option, this one, just click on it to make it desktop side. Now just minimize it and drag it from top. Here you can see the video is here. Now you can just resume the pause. And that's how you can run video in the background. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.